Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into OnePlay using an easy method. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the official OnePlay website. Look for the Login or Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the home page. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. Once on the login page, you will see two main fields. The first field is for your email address. Carefully enter the email you used when you created your OnePlay account. The second field is for your password. Make sure to type your password correctly, paying attention to capitalization and special characters. Double-check your entries before proceeding.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. On another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially when you're focused. I highly recommend the Oala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold all day. Check the description below for a link to grab yours and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
After entering both your email and password, locate and click the Login or Sign In button. This action submits your credentials for verification. The system will then process your request. If your details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your OnePlay account and redirected to your personalized dashboard. Congratulations, you're in. If you encounter any issues during login, don't worry. First, recheck your email and password for any typing errors. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Sometimes, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve unexpected problems. Ensure your internet connection is strong and try again. These steps usually fix most login difficulties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.